Hello friends, this is Seth Gauss, professional freestyle stunt rider. The craze of stunt riding in our country is growing day by day. A lot of newbies are seen popping wheelies and sharing their videos on social media platforms for the sake of accumulating likes and followers. By doing such nonsense act, they are not only crushing the image of stunt riding but also ruining the hard work of dedicated professionals who have been working their ass off day and night for over a decade to make this sport flourish in our country. Showing your stunt riding skills on public streets won't make you a hero, it will make you a hooligan. And if at all you want to impress anyone, impress your parents by obeying them because they have made all the possible efforts to bring you up, to buy the bike of your choice, and even to pay for the fuel expenses of the bike. Still, if you want to learn stunt riding, you can practice with all the safety gears in a closed environment under professional guidance. And that will be your best contribution towards stunt riding. Now, to stop these street riders from spoiling the image of stunt riding in our country, we, the professional stunt riders of India, have launched an initiative called SOS, Save Our Sport. Save Our Sport is an awareness initiative where the viewers or the audience have the power to stop these street riding activities. Whenever you come across videos which contain stunts in public places or stunts without safety gears on Instagram, kindly report that video as inappropriate content so that Instagram takes an action on it. And when the number of reports on Instagram increases, Instagram just removes that account, and this would be a big lesson for all those street riders who want to earn fame from this sport. Coming to the real life solutions, whenever you see anyone performing stunts in public places, kindly note down the registration number of his vehicle and inform the police immediately. I am sure the police will take a good action against him. So that's all about this simple yet effective initiative called SOS, Save Our Sport. I hope maximum street riders get filtered out and this sport causes a great impact and revolution in stunt riding industry of our country. Lastly, I would like to say one thing. Ability without opportunity is nothing. If you have the ability to become a professional athlete, go for it. And if you want the opportunity to flourish in the sport, please respect the sport so that stunt riding in our country flourishes and it grows to the maximum level and every rider of our country lives his dream life. So that's it for today, guys. See you soon in the next episode. This is Seth Gauss signing off.